How to fix Arlo Home Security app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Arlo Home Security app not working. For this, you want to first of all make sure that your Arlo app is fully updated. Head over to Play Store or App Store. Then on the search bar, you want to search for Arlo app. Now, you want to make sure that this application is up to date. For that, tap on the update option. Once the app is updated, any issue with the app will be resolved. However, if you find the open option instead of update, it means your application is already updated. In that case, the next thing you want to do is tap and hold on Arlo Secure app, then tap on this I button, which will take you to settings. Here, you want to tap on the storage option. Now tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and tap on the delete option. Once all the data of this application has been deleted, you want to open the application again and make sure to sign into your account. Then check if your issue has been resolved or not. If it is still not resolved, there is one more thing you can do, which is simply uninstall the application. Go ahead and tap on the uninstall button. After you have uninstalled the application, head over to Play Store or App Store. Then you want to tap on the install button. Once the application has been reinstalled, any issue with the app will be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.